Hotwire has the latest news from B-Town. Let's get started. Radhika Apte has come a long way, quite literally. After all the sex scandals around her videos and movies, the actress has confessed something very shocking. Apparently, Radhika was only offered sex comedies after her performance in Badlapur. Well, with the popularity you have on social media, this image seems to be getting you more attention.
आज मैंने बताया आपको कि बहुत दुख की बात है और जिसके लिए हम जो भी कर सकते हैं वो हम कर रहे हैं.
Hrithik Roshan would not imagine being sidelined for his controversial relationship with Kangana. But you know what? It's actually happening. My Bollywood की exclusive sources से पता चला है that while most filmmakers, including Karan Johar, have refused to attach Kabil's trailer to their films, Hrithik has now gone ahead to pay theatre owners to play the trailer between intervals. जहाँ usually the trailer is a part of the movie, Hrithik's case seems like a special one. We wonder what Hrithik has to say about this.
अभी दोस्त की कंपनी है तो एडवांटेज तो लूंगा ना यार.
Arjun Kapoor has completed the last schedule of his upcoming movie Half Girlfriend and looks like the actor is banking heavily on this movie for success. तभी तो My Bollywood ने exclusively जब अर्जुन से मूवी के बारे में पूछना चाहा तो उनका रिएक्शन कुछ ऐसा था.
चलते शूटिंग के दौरान बाइट नहीं देते हम लोग. चलो गलत है ना. ऐसे नहीं आते ना.
We suggest जितना attention आपको मिल रहा है अर्जुन, you must make the most of it. After all, this isn't a usual thing for you, no? आमिर खान को ऐसे बॉलीवुड में परफेक्शनिस्ट नहीं कहते हैं. Did you hear the latest? Apparently, Amir Khan has now decided to have a big launch for Dangal trailer on social media before Diwali. Reportedly, आमिर को ए दिल है मुश्किल और शिवाय जैसी बड़ी मूवीज के साथ दंगल के ट्रेलर को साइडलाइन नहीं करना है, which is why the actor plans to release it before these two movies and make the most of attention from fans. Now that's what's called some serious planning.
वो तो अभी आप देखते रहिए ना क्या होगा. हर चीज मैं आपको कैसे बता दूं.
Kangana Ranaut may be taking pride in being one of the few actresses who doesn't attend award shows questioning their authenticity. But here we have someone calling it a strategic move. It's Karan Johar. While talking about Kangana not attending award shows at a recent chat show, Karan said, "It's strategic. I think it's quite intelligent of her." Karan जब अपनी personal life के secrets publicly reveal कर देते हैं तो exposing Kangana's strategy doesn't come as a surprise. What do you think, Kangana?
इन चीज़ों को जो बेकार हैं, बेवजह हैं, उनको ज़्यादा अटेंशन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Imran Hashmi has recently become popular more for his photo shoot than his movies and work. और photo shoot की creativity को देख के we know it has to catch everyone's attention.
Let's cook some bread.
Bollywood serial kisser turned into Hollywood baddie. Not bad, na? Mirzia Celeb Screening was Bollywood's latest hangout spot together, but guess what? Film se zyada limelight to Hrithik Roshan ne le li. Check this out.
He's one of the most self-assured actors I have seen. Very self-confident, and I think that's the new age. It's something that we have to learn.
किया है that 43 years हो गए हैं लेकिन फिर भी आप डैडी का सहारा लेते हैं. Any comment you want to comment on it?
अब कंगना के recent verbal attack के बाद अगर ऋतिक से उनका opinion पूछा जाए तो सिक्योरिटी को उनको डिफेंड करने के लिए आना ही पड़ेगा. Looking at this, we can't help but agree to Kangana Hrithik on how actors should handle their own controversies. Salman Khan का controversial statements देना isn't a new thing, but this time he has a strong critic. While most of Bollywood chooses to remain silent against Salman, Nana Patekar has gone vocal about his views on Salman's comments on Pakistani artists.
मुझे लगता है पाकिस्तानी कलाकार ये बाद में, पहले मेरा देश। देश के अलावा मैं किसी को जानता नहीं और ना तो मैं जानना चाहूंगा। ये हमारे जो जवान हैं, इनसे बड़े कोई हीरो हो ही नहीं सकते दुनिया में। तो हम जो भी बोलते हैं ना, उस पर ध्यान मत दो। तुम्हें समझ में आया मैं किन के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ? तो उन्हीं के बारे में मैं बोल रहा हूँ। हम जो पटर पटर करते हैं उसके ऊपर ध्यान मत दो, इतनी अहमियत मत देना।
We wonder if Salman will apologize this time. We'll be back with more gossip from your favorite stars on Hot Wire.